In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. At Settings, we need to scroll down until we find the option Lock Screen and AOD. Then scroll down until you find here Edit Lock Screen. There, in order to change lock screen clock style, first off we need to tap right here at that clock widget, and then it will show you all the clock styles here, and then you can easily pick one simply by tapping on it. Let's say I'm gonna use that one now. Also down below here we can choose different color, and once we select a color it will set color for all the widgets here at the lock screen, and also there at the top we can easily change font style for the clock widget. Once you are done with that and you would like to save the changes, just hit right here at Done. And that's how your lock screen should look right now. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.